Hare Krishna. Today our satsang is Srimad Bhagavad Gita 16th chapter 5th shloka. Krishna is saying here, this chapter is called Divine and Demonic Act. Demon natures. And Krishna here is saying the transcendental qualities are conducive to liberation, whereas the demonic qualities are made for bondage. Do not worry, O son of Pandu. You are born with divine qualities. For this we will discuss what Krishna exactly wants to say. And what is these two natures, divine and demonic? What is the nature? Nature is the imposed behavior of the body on the soul. Actually, we are the soul. Soul means a fragmental part of Lord Sri Krishna. And it is full of devotion to Lord. It is bhakta. It is a devotee of the Lord. But we do not want to be a bhakta. We don't want to be a devotees. And we want to be Krishna. We want to be enjoyer. So Krishna has given his own nature to us. That is called Trigunatmak nature. Sattvic, Rajas and Tamas. In which the individual soul gets different types of bodies, which is the nature of the Krishna. Krishna means his Lord. So we want to Lord through getting a body of material nature. And we want to enjoy that. Actually, the Krishna is the enjoyer. Krishna is the enjoyer. But we feel we are the enjoyers and we want to get enjoyed in the material bodies. So there are two classes of men. One is divine and another demonic. Divine means one who has concluded now that this material body is not meant for his enjoyment. It is meant for Krishna's enjoyment. And all his energies, devotion, he get it to Krishna. He centers it to Krishna. Whereas demonic means he feels that he is the enjoyer. He is greedy for his fruits of karma. Whenever he gets the results of karma, he tries to enjoy it. This is demonic. So 99% of the population is demonic. Everybody wants to enjoy the fruits of their labor, karma. But the intelligent people, that 0.1%, come to the point with their intellectual discrimination that this body has been given to them, number one, and this body is distinct from soul, number two, and this body is meant for only the satisfaction of the Lord, not theirs. So with this 3-point formula, what they do is, they never try to enjoy the materialism, sensual objects. Instead, they direct their sensual engagements towards service of Krishna. So they do everything with the senses for satisfaction of Krishna. And Krishna in return blesses them with bliss and peace. So this is called divine nature. And another is demonic nature. And Krishna consoles Arjuna. Don't worry, Arjuna, you are with divine quality because you are devotee and you are dedicated to my service. No problem. So, dear devotees, this life has been given to you not for your enjoyment. The more you want enjoyment and you struggle for it, the more in complexities you get yourself trapped in the stringent laws of material nature. And you yourself find in very difficult situation. So give up this attitude of enjoyment. You are not an enjoyer. And there are evidences for this. You have not been made by yourself. You have been made by others. Then how you can enjoy? By taking the possessions of others. Neither birth is in your hand, nor death is in your hand, nor which form of birth you want is in your hand. You don't know how you have been implemented in this particular situation. So how can the question of enjoyment arose here when nothing is of your own? So dear devotees, give up this mentality of lording over material nature. Instead, take shelter of Lord, whom the material nature is subordinate and is the slave of the Krishna. Ma Durga Yoga Maya is the part of the servant of Krishna. And Krishna has given it for your sensual engagement because of your ignorance. Because you have disregarded the devotional service of the Lord, Krishna says, okay, you go to hell and enjoy this. But at least in this birth, give up that mentality and get yourself engaged in devotional service of the Lord, so that with the mercy of the Krishna, you can be liberated from the cycle of birth and death again and again. That's it. So be divine, be devotee. Thank you and